Hello students, welcome in chapter 10 vector algebra. Today I continue students exercise 10 question number 12. Students, today numerical it's very big and very most IMP numerical I explain here. In question 12, let a vector A I plus 4j plus 2k and vector B 3i minus 2j plus 7k and C 2i minus j plus k 4k. Find vector D. Yes, it is a fourth vector. Vector D define which is perpendicular to both A and B. And C dot D 15. Students, what the meaning here? Perpendicular? Yes, it is dot product 0. Means D dot with A 0 and D dot with B 0. And easily you can gain value of D. So here I assume first. Yes, suppose vector D is an assumption just like A, B, C belongs to R cube. If A perpendicular to D and B perpendicular to D, given that perpendicular to both, so A with D, B with D, so definitely we will say A and D dot 0 and second also B dot D 0. You easily taking dot product with the A, B and D. Students, A I have known that A 1, 4, 2, D assumption. So it will get 1A, 4B, twice C. That's the statement 1. Actually, here I create number of the terms A, B and C. There are the 3 equations and then you derive ABC value. Now B dot D, so you can apply your value for B. That's your B. 3 minus 2 7, 3 minus 2 7 and D I have ABC. So students, your data is 3A minus 2B 7C. That is equation number 2. Now take to third case. Yes, that also given. From given C dot D is a 15. So what's your C here, students? C is your 2 minus 1 and 4 and D I have ABC and you will take again dot product. So students, twice A minus B 4C is equal to 15. That's your equation number 3rd. Now anyhow you will calculate by eliminations equation 1, 2, 3 and derive ABC value. I will first operate here. This B is removed. Here multiply by 2. So solve 1 and 2. You calculate in the B and B removing. So here 2 multiply. That same 1A plus 4B twice C and that is 2 multiply. So 6A minus 2 multiply then 4B 7 2 is 14 0. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply. So it will get 4C 4C cancel 7A that is 16C. Statement number 4. Same doing students. Now second and third I just remove value of B. It means AC convert equation 5 and 5 and 4 again eliminations. So here if you remove the B, this multiply by 2. So solve 2 and 3. So this 2 is same 3A minus 2B 7C and here 2 multiply 4A 2B 8C and 30. Minus plus minus minus, this cancel. Again one more time check. 3A minus 2B plus 7C same. 2 multiply 4, 2, 8 and 52 is 30. So students, your data is minus A minus C minus 30. So A plus C is equal to 30. Statement number 5. Now 4 and 5 again you calculate. By the method of elimination here 7 multiply. So solve 4 and 5 7A 16c. Here multiply by 7. 7a, 7c, 7 3 is 21. 210. So your getting answers is here minus 7 minus 16, that yes 6 7 8 9 9c, and that is will be minus 210. So c is a minus 210 by 9. 21 tens are 3 3s are, so 3 7s are minus 70 by 3. That's your value of c cover, and that c attach here, you will get a. So from the fifth, your a value 30 minus c, and minus c already known, minus 70. So plus 70 by 3, 90 plus 70. So answer is a 7 and 9. Yes, 16, 160 by 3. That's your a cover. Now a and c, put either here, either here, either here, and derive value of b. So I will use any one equations from 1 to 3 students, and easily you get answer for b. So here now operate equation number first. From 1a plus 4b twice c is equal to 0. I will derive value for b. So 4b minus a minus twice c. What's the minus a? Minus 160. And what is the c? C I have students, minus 70 by 3. Now answer cover. Minus 160 plus 140 by 3. Yes, that is a minus minus plus 140 plus and minus 160. It will get minus 20 by 3. Yes, 140 and 60, it is only 20. Now 4 5s are cancelled. So b I will get minus 5 by 3. Now a done, b done, and c done. So finally I will cover my answer. Therefore required vector d, which is a b c. Now what's your a b c value, students? A I have 160 by 3, b minus 5 by 3, and c, students, I will get minus 70 by 3. And here, students, simple, you can arrange 1 by 3 160i minus 5j minus 70k, and that's your simple way answer, students. Now continue, students. Next question, 13th one. This is very most IMP in exam level. Question is, the scalar product of the vector I plus j plus k with a unit vector along the sum of the vectors, means sum means resultant vector, 2i 4j minus 5k and lambda I plus 2j plus 3k is equal to 1. Then find value of lambda. First of all, students, I just explain you some of the vectors of this first and this second, and that unit vector I derive first, and after that I am making the dot product with I plus j plus k, and then we will cover value of lambda. So first of all, I calculate only sum of the a plus b. It is a resultant vector addition with a and b, and that unit vector I will derive. So students, my a value here, vector a and vector b. A vector is that 2 4 minus 5, and b vector lambda 2 3. Yes, lambda 2 and 3. Now you will find out first sum of vector. Yes, it is sum of both vectors. It is a plus b. Simple, you will cover both vectors additions. So it will get 2 plus lambda, comma 6, comma minus 2. And now you create that unit vector, read that scalar product with the vector and that's sum of the unit, so that I consider R, and you will go to unit vector. So modulus derive first. So what the modulus? 2 plus lambda square, 6 will be 36, and minus 2 square is a 4. So it get totally 4 lambda square, and here 36 and 4 40. Here 4, 2 to the 4 lambda and lambda square. Total your cover lambda square, 4 lambda and 44. That's your magnitude. Now I will explain unit vector of the both summations. So unit vector, students, it is R cap, that will be R by magnitude R. And what's your R? R, you know that 2 plus lambda, 6 minus 2, and magnitude R is a under root lambda square, 4 lambda and 44. Now students, one more time read your question. Your question is scalar product means dot product of the vector ijk. So ijk, I explain here, it is a C. From given C vector, I just assumption I plus j plus k, 1 1 1, and this your C. Dot product with unit vector, it means this unit vector. Actually it is coming from sum of the both vector. So here I waiting for sum, after that unit vector converting, and now dot product with C, it's equal to given 1. That's a dot product. So from given, continue, I again write my statement, C dot R cap is 1. That's the given in the full question statement. And C, I have 1 1 1 dot. Then R cap is a 2 plus lambda, 6 minus 2 by lambda square, 4 lambda, 44 is equal to 1. Now you will create dot product. So students, 2 plus lambda, 6 minus 2, and here lambda square, 4 lambda, 44. That's as it is. This cancel. So lambda plus 6, the same, lambda square, 4 lambda, 44. Now you will take square on both sides. So students, you get exactly lambda plus 6 whole square. Here lambda square, 4 lambda, 44. So lambda square expansion, 6 to the 12 and 36. Here as it is. So lambda square gone. Another only your answer, 12 lambda minus 4 lambda, 8 lambda, and 44 minus 36, it is 8. Lambda become exactly 1. So it is numerical done. But I one more time explain this full numerical again in shortly. See, scalar product means dot product, that one, with sum of the vectors for A and B. So I will create first both sum and unit vector create. So before unit I will go to magnitude, then after unit vector, and that dot product with C. C is what? I plus j plus k. That's the given in your questions that. So that's your main term, C dot R1, and dot product taking simplify and calculate your value is lambda is equal to 1. And here students is very easy and simple way. Our 13 question is done. Now I moving ahead one by one in the question number 14. And 14 also easy, and easily students I will explain that question number 14. Now continue students, one more questions, 14. This is also very most IMP numerical in exam level. If A, B, C are mutually perpendicular vectors, equal magnitudes also show that A plus B plus C is equally inclined to A, B, C. Students, equally inclined means they making the same angles. So here given that are mutually perpendicular and equal magnitudes. So from given I just showing A magnitude, B magnitude, C magnitude, and mutually perpendicular means A perpendicular B and B perpendicular C. That means students, A dot B either B dot C, either A dot C must be 0, and here equal I just assume magnitude A, magnitude B is equal to K, assumptions. K is the suggestions for any non-zero. Okay, now I will create the equally inclined. So before create, I just explain here first magnitude of ABC square, because that magnitude I utilizations in the solutions. It is A plus B plus C dot A plus B plus C, and you take your dot products. In simple way, you will define magnitude of A plus B plus C, and then after I will start my actual numericals. It's very easily be ending there. So that definitions easily I create. A dot A dot B, A dot C plus, now chance to B dot A, B dot B and B dot C, and chance to C dot A, C dot B, C dot C. Generally this you known, A next B dot B, next C dot C. I will check that magnitude A square, magnitude B square and magnitude C square, and other are 2 times A dot B, B dot C and C dot A, and that is dot product 0, and that's I taking constant K. So students, I just mention these are 3K square. For the value A plus B plus C the whole square. So exactly you will told ABC vector additions is root 3K. Now I will start this angle equally inclined with ABC. So now I will take cos of A plus B plus C with the A. First angle create. Very easy. A plus B plus C dot A upon magnitude A. So does this magnitude I will show here in terms of constant K. So that dot product is A dot A plus B dot A plus C dot A, and that's the students root 3K, and that is also K. Magnitude of A already given that, and I assume it is K equally, and that's the students you will take magnitude A square 0 0 root 3K square. It will K square by root 3K square, that 1 by root 3. Our first angle is derived. Statement number 1, angle between A plus B plus C with A. Same with B, same with C I will do that. So now I will doing that cos of A plus B plus C with the B angle. And you will checking here either cos theta 1, best way for easily you explaining here cos theta 1 equal. Secondly taking theta 2. So A plus B plus C dot B by its magnitude, and that modulus of B, and that also taking students theta 2 value. Then students here you will apply your A dot B, B dot B and C dot B upon that's magnitude already known you, root 3k, and that also k. Now that is your modulus B square and other are 0. So here students 0, modulus B square 0 and root 3 k square. It will be k square by root 3 k square 1 by root 3 cos theta 2. It is cos theta 2. Check, it is same answer coming, and that is the equation number 2. Same I taking now third equation number third, after that cos theta 3 also same derive, then my proofing is done. So one by one now I taking to third case. Continue. Also cos with ABC with the D, I mean C, so A plus B plus C dot C upon modulus, and that also C. Same apply dot product. So students, A dot C, B dot C, C dot C, and that is taking root 3k, that also k. Now here you know, and other two are 0. So 0 plus 0 plus k, I mean C square, root 3k square. It is k square by root 3k square, 1 by root 3, statement 3. And that students you taking cos theta 3, third angle. It means what? From 1, 2 and 3 we will show last 1, 2 and 3 cos theta 1 is equal to cos theta 2 is equal to cos theta 3. It means theta 1 equal to theta 2 equal to theta 3. And last you write down, so A plus B plus C is equally inclined with the vectors A, with the vector B and with the vector C. Now students, I continue. After that same as our next questions. Now next is a very easy and very short numerical. Now students, continue question 15. Prove that A plus B dot A plus B is magnitude A magnitude B whole square if and only if A and B are mutually perpendicular to each other. For A non-zero, B non-zero. Students, when they are perpendicular, prove? Yes, dot product 0. So I will start first here LHS in the part of A plus B dot A plus B, and here you will apply distributive property. A dot A plus A dot B plus B dot A and last B dot B. That you know very well. It is a magnitude whole square. So students, here I will mention magnitude whole square. It is 2 times A dot B, and that also magnitude B whole square. Now A dot B, if I take 0, then my proofing is done. So that are intermediate I utilize. If A dot B 0, then confirm A perpendicular to B. Means A and B are what? Perpendicular vectors? Yes, perpendicular vectors. That's principle I utilizations for here. So A whole square 0 B whole square, it will cover A square plus B square, and that's your RHS. But reason only and only if A and B are perpendicular to each other. That's way we going now. Now students, continue question number 16. 16 is a one kind of our MCQ base. Now students, after 15, next 16 MCQ. If theta is the angle between two vectors and A dot B is greater than or equal to 0, then asking our MCQs. Very easy. Students, here three ways we explain this numerical in the way of the answer wise. All STC, you know that very well. Yes, in the first quadrant cos theta is positive. It means A dot B greater than 0. If you cos theta negative in second quadrant, then sure A dot B is what? Less than 0. And third, cos theta is 0, then definitely A dot B is equal to 0. Here perpendicular theta, here 0 to 90 and here 90 to pi. 3 way, but here greater than or equal to 0, it means I going here. Now from given A dot B greater than or equal to 0, then where is your angle? 0 to pi by 2 including 0 including pi by 2, because here or equal to oriented, and here 2 extra. If a given A dot B 0, then you will take what? Theta exactly pi by 2 here. And if you A dot B less than or equal to 0, it means it is an obtuse angle, it is acute and at right angle. If you that given less than cos theta, then your angle become pi by 2 to pi, and that is your simple way. Students, here this question number 16 is done. Now I going ahead one more 17th one, and that is also in the same way one of the MCQ. I just explained question number 17. Now students, question 17 going ahead. If A and B are unit vectors and theta is angle between them, also A plus B is a unit vector, then what is the theta? Students, here A and B are unit vector means A magnitude, B magnitude is 1, and angle between A and B is theta. Also, given that A plus B is unit vector, it means magnitude 1 from that, and take you a simple magnitude square, A plus B whole square, and here apply A plus B dot A plus B, and you will take both dot product. So students, your A dot A, next A dot B, next B dot A, and next B dot B, that you know it is modulus A whole square, that is a 2 times A dot B, and that is modulus B square. Now students, A magnitude, B magnitude already you know, that is 1. So I just put it here 1 square, here A dot B same, that also 1. 1 and 1 cancel, only you will create A dot B, which is minus 1/2, that's 1. A dot B minus that side and 2 is divided, means minus 1 by 2. Now what your target? Your target is angle between both vector. So cos theta, it is angle between A dot B with cos. Formula is A dot B by modulus A modulus B. And students, A dot B you just know minus half, and upon magnitude, that's a 1. Now cos theta is minus half, theta is cos inverse minus half, it is pi minus pi by 3. Yes, 60 degree. Pi minus 60 degree, it is a 3, pi minus pi, it will be 2 pi by 3. And here students, it's simple way, your question number 17 is also done. Now we next question, after that students, question 17 again. Yes students, now after your 17 questions, I will stop here, and further explanations to MCQ and remaining our miscellaneous example I will explain in the next parts. Bye bye.